Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Today, my topic name is direct topic. Today, my topic name is court visit, High Court visit. So recently, and this date is 16. Sorry, 16. Uh, এটা কি মাস মে 16th May, and the my teacher and my actually my subject is mood court, and this paper also included visited for another court, high court, just like high court, supreme court, and etc. After that, everyone teacher decided to go at মানে সবাইকে নিয়ে যাবে together, yes, all together to visit the court. And then this day is 16 March, and the first of all I got up at 6 p.m. because my 6 a.m. and then 6 a.m. and the bus was 7 a.m. and then actually bus start journey to Holdia, and then you pick up the students up to Radhamoni and Mecheda and Kolaghat, after Ulveria Bagnan also, and I select the Mecheda. And then after that me and my friend went to the Mecheda stations. And after that, because I am so late also, and my friend is already ready, but I am not ready for, because I know that the bus is not correct time, not reached correct time, reached it's not correct time. And then the actually bus start the journey at about 6:30, and then the bus is start the journey, after the bus start the journey 7:30. The 1 hour is so late, and after that me and my friend decide I reached I Java. I Java, Java. Hey, I was went to the Mecheda stations after 8:30, and then my one friend see বাস ধরাকে কি বলবো টেক yes sir catch the bus my one friend he catch the bus whole year, and she always inform. And then me and my friend is so late, and my one friend is named the Tidli. She is also late, and she called to me, and she told me, where are you there, where are you there now? And I also told me I am so late because bus is always already waiting for me, waiting for us. Bus is bus is waiting for us. And then my one teacher, that's name is Basudev sir. She called me and she told me, where are you there? And then I also told me I just coming to 10 hour late. And after that, I got the bus. I catch the bus at about 8:10 p.m. And then after that everyone catch the bus, and মানে সিট নিলাম আর কি, take the seat, took the seat. And after that the start the journey at about 8:10 p.m. 8:10. After that my one friend, she called me because she catch the bus is Ulveria. And then my teacher, two teachers also, she everyone guide মানে গাইড করছিল, guided us. And then her and she and মানে দুজনেই both both guide the মানে আমাদেরকে গাইড করার পরে বলছিল একটা লাঞ্চ মানে টিফিন করবো। ওকে, হ্যাঁ। দেন রিকোয়েস্ট করছিল না, মানে ওটা আমাদের, হ্যাঁ, এভরি, হ্যাঁ, দ্য টু টিচার্স ইনফর্ম আস দ্য সাম ইয়েস টু টেক সাম ব্রেকফাস্ট অ্যান্ড দেন সি বাস দাঁড়িয়ে থাকা কি, দ্য বাস ওয়াজ দাঁড়িয়ে মানে দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল কোলাঘাট Orget, yes, halted, halted. The bus was halted. The halted, hold করা, halted the Kolaghat station, Kolaghat bus station, bus stations. And then everyone took for luchi or ghugni, and ghugni, luchi and veg ghugni also. And then me and my four friends is decide, because bus so long time, long journey also. And me and my friend decide, everyone ate to muri and ghugni. After that, I ordered the muri ghugni and egg omelette. And after that, everyone finished the it. After that, finish the it, and then my teacher, she told me the everyone, যে যার খাবার খেয়ে নাও এখানে, okay, whatever, okay, whatever you want to take, this take here, take here. And because the court is first time, and actually high court is always controlled by the judges. So government is not interfere, and any school is not interfere. So বলা যায় না কে কিরকম জাজ আর কি, depends on the judge. So after that, everyone ate to everything. And then the bus started. My one friend is always called me, because 1 hour is standing there here, standing over. And after that, she told me and where I am from, there now. And after that, I told me, okay, I finished just my, I we are finished just the breakfast. And then I go to the was starting, bus was starting. And huh. And then after 11 o'clock, the bus actually start, no, 11 o'clock the bus was reached, মানে দাঁড়িয়ে মানে চলে পৌঁছে গিয়েছিলাম, reached the high court. And everyone, my teacher told me told us, because everyone uniform is wear. And then everyone go, carry the your id card. And everyone carry the your water bottle also. And then everyone carry to everything. And after that, everything organs. And after that, we go to enters the high court gate. And after that, the teachers guidance, so many courts are there. You go to, your choice, your own choice. You go to, you sit the any court, and you sitting the any court. And then me and my four friend also decide, so let's go. I go to the Amrita Singha first Chief Justice Magister court. And then me and my four friends is go to the chief justice court room. And then the Amrita Singha is also here, justice Amrita Singha is also here. And then see judgment is, I know that, because the landmark judgment is the appellant cases here, hearing. And then the Amrita Singh is so, মানে খুব ডাঁট ছিল একটা মেয়ে, মানে একে অ্যাডভোকেটকে। This Amrita Singh is so sorry, Madam Amrita Singh is so angry for one advocate, because she not uniform, she not proper, she, yes, she did not wear uniform. And after that, she came to the outside, she came to the outside. And because the water bottle is not allowed, yes, water bottle is not allowed. And মানে আমি খুব মানে তিসটাকে কি বলে, too much, I was too much thirsting. And then I came to, I get out of the room. And I drink the water. And after that, I went to this same court. And few minutes ago, the few minutes late, the Amrita Singha, Madam Amrita Singha is break time, take the break time. And see the one, ওকে কি বলে, ওই যেগুলো সাদা পোশাক পরে থাকে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এই কি বলে যায়, নো নো নো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ক্লার্কস অ্যালাউন্স দেয়ার ম্যাম ইজ, ম্যাম নামছে, ম্যাম ইজ কামিং, নামছে কোর্ট থেকে, ma'am is down on the court. And everyone to standing and respect for everyone to everyone. And after that, I came to afterward I come to the outside. And sometime this lunch period also. And my teacher, my always also teacher is say that everyone we the eat this canteen, advocate canteen also, and everyone maintains the decorum. And after that me and my three friends is so hungry, so much hungry, too much hungry. And then me and my one friend decide to the canteen, go to the canteen, and then I eat some rice, one vegetables, dal and chicken, and দই দিয়েছিল, দই card also. And they finished the eating. After that we some took some drink, just drink, took some drink also. And after that I came to the other side and took some photos. And the teacher said, teacher কি বলবো ওটাকে, ডাইরেকশন দিয়েছিল, the teacher give us direction, everyone to your position, everyone stand your position, because took some photo. And because college submit করতে হবে, submit the college. And then everyone position here and took some photo. After that 3:30 I come back to my home. And the Kolaghat bus stations, the bus is waiting to hold for us, because some tea, I we have some tea, yes, no, just like tea and biscuit, snack veg. And after that I eat the snacks veg, and everyone is eating. And then the 4 4:30 5:30 they came to my home. And after that the teacher called me, and she told me, what are you written for your diary maintenance decorum also, you sent me. And then I sent my diary copy also. And then after that 8:30, because this day I have a IELTS class. And then I attend my IELTS class and I complete at about 9:30. And then I eat some dinner. After that I sleep at about 11:30. That's it. Thank you.